Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening VS Code and creating a minimal project, index, HTML and styles, CSS. Link the style sheet in the head so changes reflect instantly. Once done, install Live Server and enable autosave. This gives immediate feedback as you edit. Make sure Emmet is active to speed CSS authoring. Also set your preferred tab size and enable format on save to keep styles neat. These first steps get you coding and seeing results without delay. You now focus on writing maintainable CSS and using VS Code features to help. Start with variables for colors and spacing so changes propagate easily. Use IntelliSense and CSS peek to jump between selectors. These save time and prevent selector drift. Add a linter like StyleLint to catch mistakes early, and use Emmet abbreviations to scaffold rules quickly. When styles grow, split into partial files and import them, and adopt a naming convention, such as BEM, to keep selectors predictable. You finish by validating behavior and fixing issues before deployment. Open Live Server and browser dev tools to inspect computed styles, box model, and media queries. This reveals inheritance or specificity problems. If styles don't apply, make sure the link path is correct and clear the browser cache. Disable suspect extensions that alter formatting or Emmet behavior. Finally, run StyleLint and test across breakpoints to ensure responsiveness. If something still fails, revert to a minimal test case to isolate the bug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.